How to build a smart home under $200. Beginner's Setup Guide. How to build a smart home under $200. Beginner's Setup Guide. Smart homes don't have to drain your bank account. If you've been intimidated by the cost of automating your living space, here's some good news. You can build a functional, genuinely useful smart home setup for under $200. The key is knowing where to invest your money and which devices will actually improve your daily life. This beginner's setup guide will walk you through creating a practical DIY smart home setup that covers the essentials without unnecessary splurges. Start with a smart speaker as your hub. The foundation of any smart home is a central hub that can communicate with all your devices. A smart speaker serves this purpose beautifully and is often the most affordable entry point. Budget-friendly options like the Echo Dot or Google Nest Mini cost between $25 and $50, making them the most economical choice for beginners. These devices handle voice commands, control other smart devices, and often come with built-in features like timers, weather updates, and music streaming. By choosing one of these as your primary hub, you're creating a command center that can orchestrate your entire smart home. Don't overthink this decision. Either ecosystem works great for beginners, so pick whichever appeals to you more, or which platform your friends use. Layer in smart lighting for maximum impact. After your hub, smart lighting offers the best bang for your buck in a smart home starter kit. Smart bulbs and smart switches transform your home's ambience while delivering real convenience. A basic smart bulb costs around $10 to $20, and you only need 2 or 3 to start noticing the benefits. Consider placing them in high-traffic areas like your bedroom, living room, or kitchen. Smart bulbs let you dim lights without getting out of bed, set schedules for automatic on-off times, and even change colors for different moods. If you prefer not to replace bulbs, smart switches are another option, though they typically cost $20 to $40 each. Either way, you're looking at spending $30 to $60 total on lighting, leaving plenty of budget for other devices. Add smart plugs for dumb device control. Here's a secret that many beginners miss. Smart plugs are the unsung heroes of budget smart home setups. These small devices plug into your existing outlets and let you control anything plugged into them. Lamps, fans, coffee makers, space heaters, via your smartphone or voice commands. A quality smart plug costs just $10 to $15, and buying a 4-pack can cost around $30 to $40. Smart plugs are perfect for devices that aren't smart themselves but would benefit from automation. You can schedule your coffee maker to turn on before you wake up, turn off your TV remotely, or monitor energy usage on certain appliances. This is where your DIY smart home setup really becomes practical and personalized to your actual needs. Consider a smart thermostat for long-term savings. If you rent, skip this section. But if you own your home, a smart thermostat is one of the best investments you can make. Budget models from reputable brands cost between $50 and $100 and can pay for themselves through energy savings within a year or two. A smart thermostat learns your temperature preferences, adjusts automatically based on your schedule, and gives you remote control via your phone. You can lower the temperature when you're away and raise it before you get home. Installation is usually straightforward if you're comfortable following video tutorials, though hiring a professional is another option. Even a basic smart thermostat will reduce your heating and cooling costs noticeably, making it one of the smartest purchases in your budget. Incorporate motion sensors and door sensors. Once you have your core devices working, motion sensors and door sensors add genuine security and convenience. These devices cost around $15 to $30 each and can trigger automations throughout your home. A motion sensor in your hallway can automatically turn on lights when you walk past at night. A door sensor on your front door can alert you when someone enters, or trigger lights to turn on when you arrive home. You only need one or two of these to start with. Pick the locations where they'll make the biggest difference in your daily routine. These sensors create the wow moments that make smart homes feel truly automated rather than just remote controlled. Don't forget about smart home automation routines. Here's something many beginners overlook. The real power of a smart home comes from automation routines, not individual device control. Once you have your devices connected to your smart speaker, you can create routines that trigger multiple actions. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for daily AI insights.